Is affiliate marketing a scam? No, it's not, and I'm going to explain why I think that. I'm going to show you how you can be successful with affiliate marketing. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for checking in. And I'm going to talk about now if you think that affiliate marketing is a scam because you are struggling hard and find it difficult to even make your first sale. Well, you're not alone. I, in fact, struggled for a long time, to be honest, before making my first sale. But regarding scams, affiliate marketing, there's a lot of product out there that people get fooled about from, because they are promising that once you buy the push button software, you will enjoy financial freedom, quit your job, and never have to worry about money or bills again. And they exaggerate how easy it is to make thousands of dollars online. Now, I'm not here to bash anybody, but that's what I have noticed. But recently I bought this product from made by Michael Cheney. He's a self-made millionaire that's very newbie friendly. It's called the 7-figure affiliate system, and it shows step by step everything you need to do, and benefiting from free traffic. It's focusing on just free traffic. You can use the training to make your first sale online, and then when you make some sales, you can make the decision to apply paid strategies. But let's now have a look at the sales page. 7-figure affiliate system for anyone looking to start and scale or grow digital business in 2000, so on. No more having to create a product, fulfill services, run ads, or ever do any customer service. Only requires 30 to 60 minutes a day, generating new sales, customers, and commission 24/7. Yes, because once you join, it costs $9.95 now, one-time fee. Once you pay that, you will have like a business for yourself already set up, and you will earn every commission you make from this product. You will keep, because it will be yours, your kind of a setup business for you, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. About this require 36 minutes a day, I would say that you need to spend more time on these free strategies daily, because you want to have generated sales as fast as possible, of course. But it's a very good training, and I'm going to go through it inside. You get 7 free bonuses for joining now for $9.95. Bonus 1, Rapid Affiliate Quick Start Guide, value at $47, free today. Then bonus 2, Affiliate Profit Machine Calculator, value $47, free today. And then we have bonus 3, the 7-figure affiliate growth orientation session, value at $197, free today. Bonus 4, Affiliate Millionaire Mindset, value at $197, free today. And then we have bonus 5, Ultimate Accountability System, value $47, free today. And bonus 6, the 7-day affiliate fast start, value $47, free today. And bonus 7, the 7-figure affiliate community access free today, value at $67. And here we have testimonials for previous students that you can check out on the page through the link below. Yes, so now let's have a look inside this product. So once you have purchased this product, you will get to this page, and this is a video from Michael Cheney. But step 1 is to click here to attend the live orientation session, not being recorded. It's on the 7th of June now. and you get when you fill in your email address, you then get a email with all the details and stuff like that. Very important call. Then you click here to join the Facebook group, and you click on step 3 to get started with the program now, so we can check out everything. So every module you need to check out in this order. Don't jump ahead. It's on the left side, and when you click one of the modules, you get this click on watch the video. And let's go through the step first before checking out any video. So step 1, getting started. Step 2, get your money link. How to get your money link so that you can make 100% commission on all sales. Step 3, get ready-made promos. You get ready written promos to use on social media to get to a fast start. Because it's not enough to post content on social media and so on, you need to know how to write it so that people will contact you to learn more about your offer or click a link to get to your offer. And step 4, get audience, get content. And step 5 and step 6, get traffic. Like I said, this system is built on totally free traffic. And then get sales. But let's check out how it looks with the video. So getting started, you click the watch the video there. It's very get to the point of videos, so you won't be listening to hours of videos, watching videos for hours. And below every video there's some resources that you need to check out as well. And all videos is from Michael Cheney. And let's check get ready-made promos. And here's detailed information about that and how to use them and so on from Michael Cheney. Make sure that you watch every video to the end. Of course, to get your ready-made promo tools, you click here. I can't, of course, show you that because that would do Michael a big unservice, or what to say, unfavor. It would be like giving away his training for free, and that's not how it works. But just follow all these steps to the end and you'll be off to a good start. So to get started, make the link below. Thanks so much for watching the video, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.